guys, so today I have a new subscription box that I've been waiting to unbox. I've had just sitting here. It says hello, what you've been waiting for on the packaging. It is the Cordoza Nail Supply V.I.N.T box. It is $45 a month plus shipping, so it's like pricier. Let's see. It says, don't forget how important you are to your clients. It's not just nails they come to you for, but the experience and therapy you provide. Open this curated box each month to spark your inner passion and to fill up your nail drawer with fun new products. This box is replacing our previous glitter box. 1 to 2 nail box glitters, 1 gel polish, 1 stamping plate, and 1 to 2 mystery items. Inspirational 4x6 desk card each month you can display proudly to remind yourself and your clients how special you are. Recurring charge of $45 a month plus shipping. First of every month, it's charge you can skip, pause, cancel before the first of every month. Boxes will ship on or before the 10th of any month. Cancel anytime. Box will always be valued at over $45 and products and items are selected by Tiffany. They will always be your favorites. No box repeats. Okay, so that was like a lot of reading, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this box. Okay guys, so I just opened up the package and this is what comes in it. It looks like it's a little bag. It says, doing nails is my cardio Cordoza nail supply. That's cute. You could probably use this for when you go shopping for nail supplies. Move that off to the side. And then here is the box. It says, this nail tech is about to get spoiled. V.I.N.T, very important nail tech, box of the month club, Cordoza. This is Cordoza nail supply, and then the box is just pink. So let's go and open it up. It says, love it, brag about it, snap and share. And let's see the card. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can, and then it has the box of the month stuff down there. Ooh, whoa. Okay. So let's open this up. It says, open me already. Where's the thing? And it is a color wheel. It got a little messed up in the packaging. Okay. It looks like it moves. So it tells you, okay, how to use the color wheel. Select a color on the outside wheel, align it with the color on the inside wheel. The mixture appears in the window. Oh, okay, so it's like if you mix orange, red orange with blue, you get this type of blue. Okay, that's cool. There's a little candy. Little box right here. It says clear jelly stamper with clearjellystamper.com. It's got a cute little bow box. Let's open it up. Oh, it's just a cute little. Oh, it's got like the kaleidoscope type cover kind of, and the stamper has glitter on the sides, and it just says clear jelly stamper, and it, it's just a stamper. Okay. I feel like I have lots of these now, and I've still never stamped. Let's put these off to the side for now. Okay. And so this looks like it was a Valentine's Day box, because there's lots of Valentine's stuff in it. There's these little paper hearts. Let's see if you can see them. Hopefully, I hope you can see them. They just look like different red patterned hearts in there. This is glitter, elegant glass, or is it glitter? Oh, love in the air, or is it glitter? And the glitter is called My Girl. Here, let's open it up. It looks like kiss marks and hearts. of different colors, like pink colors. Oh, I spilled some, of course. Okay, and then this big thing in the box. It looks like a stamping plate. Okay, it's a clear jelly stamper stamping plate. That's what it looks like, and I believe all of those things are on here. So we got lots of different hearts, some of them hanging. It says my heart, a bigger heart. I can't even tell what that is. I think it's just these are some patterns, and then some heart patterns up here. So it looks like those are what are on here. Okay, and then the last things in the box are, oh, I thought this was Valentino when I saw it. Beauty Innovation One Step Soak Off Gel Polish in the color 665. That's a gel polish. And then this is a stamping polish. And a pink, which I'm probably not going to swatch, but I'll swatch the other one for you. It's just a thick consistency. It looks like paint, honestly. That's what it reminds me of. Just like a hot pink. But let's swatch this purple. Okay. Finally, using the last of that box of swatches, I'll turn on the lamp. Get my pen. So we're gonna write, what is it called? Beauty Innovation Gel, number 665, and we'll just do one coat. Alright, so we'll just swatch this. It looks like just like the Valentino bottle. It is a little thick for my liking, but it goes on pretty well. So that's the color. I'm gonna cure it. Okay, and then I wanted to check something, because wasn't it supposed to come with like specific things in the box? Let me check while that's curing. Okay. So it's supposed to come with 1 to 2 nail box glitters. Is that okay? So it's supposed to be this, 1 gel polish, 1 stamping plate, and mystery items. Okay. So yeah, it came with everything it was supposed to. Yeah, so the stamping plate, this is everything it was supposed to come with, and then this goes with the stamping, I think, and then some mystery items in there. So in total, we have the gel polish, the stamping polish, stamping plate, stamper, glitter, these hearts to encapsulate color wheel, and a piece of candy, and then don't forget that bag. Okay, once this is done, which is done right now, I will show you the swatch stick. That's what the color looks like. I think it's very pretty. Okay, but yeah, so this is everything I got in the box. Overall, I'm pleased. I feel like I wouldn't use very much of it. I'm not a big stamper, but you know, I can give it a shot. I'll definitely use the hearts and the glitter. But yeah, overall, I am satisfied with this box. It's something new, and I'm happy with it. So let me know how you guys enjoyed this box. Let me know if you want to see more of it, because I will continue subscribing. I don't really know if it's worth $45 or like $50 with shipping. But let me know if you guys like it, and I'll continue subscribing to it. And if you guys don't want me to, let me know as well. But let me know how you like this box. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.